welcome to a refreshing take on early retirement living, where simplicity meets style and affordability blends seamlessly with comfort. Today, we're exploring a charming farmhouse-inspired tiny house village that has captured the hearts of many seeking a slower, more intentional lifestyle. This is not just a tour. It's an inspiration for anyone dreaming of downsizing without sacrificing charm or quality of life. This tiny house village stands out for its thoughtful planning and community-centered design. Each home is positioned to maximize privacy while still fostering meaningful interaction among residents. Walking through the village, you'll notice shared spaces, garden pathways, and gathering spots that create a warm, welcoming environment perfect for retirees looking to build connections without the clutter of traditional neighborhoods. Every tiny home in this village carries a timeless farmhouse charm, with details like board and batten siding, rustic wood accents, and inviting front porches. These architectural touches bring a sense of nostalgia and elegance, making each home feel like a peaceful countryside escape. Despite their compact size, the homes radiate character and personality at every turn. Stepping inside, you'll discover layouts designed for maximum efficiency. Smart interior planning ensures every inch is used with purpose. Open living areas, functional kitchens, and cozy lofts or bedrooms create a sense of spaciousness without the need for excess. It's a perfect balance between practicality and warmth, ideal for those wanting a simpler yet complete living experience. One of the village's standout features is its dedication to sustainability. Many homes incorporate eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient windows, and low-impact building practices. This commitment not only reduces environmental footprint but also helps residents save on long-term living costs. It's a win-win for retirees focused on both budget and eco-conscious living. Natural light plays a huge role in enhancing the atmosphere of these tiny farmhouse homes. Large windows, skylights, and bright color palettes work together to create airy, uplifting interiors. The clever use of mirrors and reflective surfaces further enhances the illusion of space, proving that small homes can feel open, inviting, and incredibly serene. Beyond the interiors, the village offers beautifully curated outdoor spaces. Residents can enjoy morning coffee on their porches, evening walks along landscape pathways, or small gatherings in communal gardens. These outdoor features encourage a lifestyle that values nature, relaxation, and meaningful interactions, key elements for anyone seeking a peaceful early retirement. One of the biggest reasons this village inspires so many is its affordability. Early retirement doesn't have to mean downsizing your dreams, just your space. These tiny farmhouse homes are designed to offer beauty, comfort, and functionality at a fraction of the cost of traditional housing, making financial freedom more attainable than ever. Living here isn't just about owning a home. It's about embracing a purposeful lifestyle. Residents pursue hobbies, enjoy slower mornings, and connect deeply with their community. The village supports a mindset of intentionality, prioritizing what truly matters while letting go of the unnecessary. It's a lifestyle that aligns perfectly with early retirement goals. As we conclude this tour, imagine yourself waking up each day in this charming farmhouse tiny house village, surrounded by nature, simplicity, and a supportive community. Early retirement doesn't have to be a distant dream. With thoughtful design and accessible living options like these, it can become a reality sooner than you think. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring architecture and tiny home tours.